Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my son's nursery transformation. During the newborn phase, this room just turned into our baby drop-off stuff area. When he was 4 months old, we decided it was time to clear out this room, put away all the small clothing, and get this room ready for him to transition into when he was around 6 months. I'm starting off with gathering everything that needs to be put away, packed away for the future, and thrown away. I got so sad putting away CJ's small clothes. I had actually already put away some. Every time I get so sad putting away all his little clothes that he's grown out of. I got these storage containers and the labels that you'll see later off of Amazon. I'll link everything that I can find down below. Here my husband and I were talking about how CJ used to be so small in his newborn size clothes, and now it's crazy that he used to even fit inside such tiny little clothes. Here I was putting together his all about me picture. It has a place for us to put his footprint, his weight, date of birth, and some of his favorite things. Bought tons of postpartum care supplies while I was pregnant. My mother-in-law also gifted me a lot. So I went ahead and made a postpartum care box. All of the products that you see in there, like the nipple cream and things like that, are things that are unopened. I found some touch-up paint that was left by the previous owners of our house under the sink, and I thought that it matched when I opened it and looked, but this color didn't match at all. So later on, I'm gonna go and redo that whole wall. We used one of those like color match paint apps to find this color from Home Depot. This didn't match at all either. It's more of like a taupe and the rest of the room is kind of a beige. I still think that it works because that whole wall is this color and it kind of adds contrast to the room. We mostly read to my son in the daytime, but I got some of my favorite books to read as like bedtime stories for him and put them on his shelf. This one right here is my favorite. It's called On the Night You Were Born. And this was the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my nursery transformation. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.